Good morning, class. And here's the home page of Canvas for your course. I want to go over the instruction as to how to take the exam properly and get partial credit. First and foremost, I'm going to go to the announcements. Under the announcements, there was a announcement sent to you. I have revised it slightly today and I will send it to everybody. Instruction on taking exams. So when you're ready to take the exam, follow the instructions and show step-by-step work when possible and upload all your work into the Canvas exam one assignment within 5 to 10 minutes of submitting of the exam in WebAssign. We take the exam in WebAssign. Show work for all questions, especially for those worth only 1 point, which means there are questions that you receive 4 credit from WebAssign, and at the end you have a few that you receive only 1 point, and the rest of them is that you have to show work. I will go over that and I give you credit, but you have to follow the instruction. Now, how can we scan and post our work in WebAssign? I have a short video I found on YouTube can do the job, and here's the synopsis of that. If you happen to have an iPhone, you can quickly go to your notes, open a new note, click on the camera icon, click on the scan documents, scan a page, adjust the corners, keep scan the next page and keep scanning, save it. You can add as many pages as you want and upload them all at once. You can, for example, email it to yourself and then upload it in Canvas. Here's the second method using the Cam Scanner. Please watch both videos. It is in the under the announcement where it says instruction on taking exams. And here's the synopsis of what I'd like you to do. Put all your written work you have done to show work on the exam in one PDF file. One PDF file. Upload it in the exam assignments in Canvas. On the left navigation bar, you see the assignments. So you go to Canvas, you go to assignments, you go to exams, you click on the exam number, whether it's the first exam or the second exam, any of them, and start assignment at top. At the bottom, browse to select the file, and then submit the assignment. For any reason, if you run out of time, email the PDF file to me within 5 minutes of taking the exam. If for some reason you couldn't upload it into the assignment given. And so I want to show you a couple of things here. First and foremost, I'm going to put this in student mode. If you click under the assignment and exam 1, at the top, it says start the assignment. So it's important to know that you have to complete the pertaining assignments such as online homework, discussion forums, etc. to get ready to take the exam. All exams can be found at top of the module tab in Canvas here. So where can you find this? In WebAssign. So let me quickly show you that one and I come back to this page. So modules, as you know, this is where you do all your assignments, meaning you do your homework, you do your quizzes, and now you're going to take the exam. It may take a little bit to upload. And these are all the assignments. If you click on them, all of them show up, and you take the exam, which is password protected, and it was sent to you. Go back to the home page. I'm going to go back to this one, and I'm going to put it in student mode again. So that's where you do the work. After you're done taking the exam in WebAssign, I'm assuming as you take the exam, you show work for everything that you need to show work. And when you want to upload your file, you come here to Canvas, Assignments, Exams, Exam 1. And when you click on, and again, you read this, I put those 2 videos here also just to be on the safe side. And you want to show step-by-step work. So if you click on Start Assignment, so at the bottom, there's nothing. If you click on Start Assignment, what happens at the bottom, now it gives you a chance to browse. I'm assuming you've done everything, you've taken a picture, you use the note, whatever that you have to use to change it into a PDF file, you have emailed it to yourself, and it's on your computer. You browse and you select the file, and then you submit the assignment. And you're done. This is explained under the announcements. Instruction on taking exams. First, you're supposed to take the exam, and before taking the exam, make sure you know how to change your work. I assume you do it by hand. I mean, some people are comfortable. You may do it in things like OneNote or even an iPad. That's fine with me. Wherever you show your work and you want to upload it to Canvas as follows. You go to Canvas, Assignments, Exams, Exam Number, in this case, the first exam, Start Assignment at top, browse and select the file and submit the assignment. That's how you do the work. And at this point, my recommendation to everyone is to make sure you have already finished all your assignments, meaning homework and quizzes, and then find the practice test under the recorded practice test. And the first one that I've put it in a few parts, make sure you watch the recordings at least a couple of times to be on the safe side and take the exam. So on the day that you're ready to take the exam, make sure you have made a note of your password. You have your notes. By notes, I mean you have a piece of paper, okay? You can't use PowerPoints. You cannot use formula sheet, anything like that. So follow the instruction as though you're taking the exam in class. So you have a piece of paper and you're taking the exam. Make sure you already know the password and you get started. After you go through the watching the recording and mastering the topic, make sure that you relax maybe for an hour and then take the exam. Give yourself enough time. Please don't take it way too late in the evening when you're tired, and you will do fine. I wish you all best of luck and happy studying, everybody.